Welcome to Smart Inventory Manager. Today I will show you how to download the program. Please go inside the website called smart-inventory-manager.com. You will land on this page and you will see here there's a free software download. Press this and another window opens. You see here there's the SIM for Windows, Solti scan for Android and for iOS also. Today we will use it for the Windows, so we will press SIM for Windows. There's an installer opening and we will press this one. A new window opens and you can change the directory where you want to install. We will just go right ahead and press install. Setup is complete. Press OK and we can press run. Now another window opens. This one we can just press quit. Here we can set our colors. We can make our own color set, or we can make a custom color set. The custom color set is the most difficult one, so you can just press the windows and you can set the color for the window. The buttons the same, panels and tables the same. And you will press save, and you will press save here, and it will use the colors that are listed in this place. You see set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, they are just presets. So these are some fast options you can choose. We will press save to the save custom. Now what happens is this will close and another window opens, and I have two screens, so this one opened on my second screen, so I'll just drag it here. You see there are two windows opening here. There is the inventory system and there is the help window. And the help window has all these functions. You can contact support. You can go to the SIM website again. You can look at a user manual if you want. All kinds of nice things. We'll just close the window for now. As you see, this is a no license for this PC version. So there are things that this program will not do in the current state. Some of these extra additional items will have to be unlocked, and to get the different products unlocked, you need to contact the Solti staff. Find out what you need and contact the Solti staff about this on an email. Let's proceed. So here we have the inventory manager system, and we are here on the front page of the inventory products list. We also have a supplier list. We have our logs to see what movements has been done. We have our labels tab where we can print labels, create labels, and we have the different tools. We have configuration data where different things can be configured. And we have a data tab where you can import products and you can delete products and other things. In each tab there is a set of tools over here on the right. For example, inside this window you can press edit and edit the different products. There are also a lot of other tabs that I will make some videos about so you can understand what they do. Thank you for installing the SIM Inventory Manager demonstration. I hope that you will play around with it and learn more about how this program works. It's really a time saver when you get to know it. I am using it myself in my own business, and it's very nice when all the products have been installed and you start using it on a daily basis. I can highly recommend the SIM Inventory Manager. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.